First question, exercise 14.6. Draw angle POQ of measure 75 degree. Now you have to draw an angle. Now you can make angle by two ways. First one is by using protractor and second one is by using rounder. So now if construct is written, then you always have to use rounder. If draw is written, then you can use protractor. And one more thing, with rounder you can make angles which are only multiple of 15. If you want to draw 10 degree, you won't be able to draw 10 or 100. So you can only draw the angles which are multiple of 15, like 15, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree. You can draw these angles with the help of rounder, but all the other angles you have to draw using protractor. So in this question you have to draw using protractor. So how will you draw? First of all, you will draw a baseline like this. Now angle is POQ. It means vertex is O and this is Q. So now you have to draw 75 degree. See, you will keep this intersection point on the vertex. यहाँ पे रखोगे and you will see कि where is 75 degree. So 75 degree is here. ये आ रहा है 75 डिग्री, 70 और 80 के बीच में. दिस इज 75 डिग्री. सो यू विल ड्रॉ, मार्क अ पॉइंट एंड ड्रॉ द एंगल. सो दिस इज P, एंगल POQ. यहाँ पे फिर आप एंगल ड्रॉ करोगे एंड यू विल राइट हेयर 75 डिग्री. नाउ सेकेंड इज find its line of symmetry. Again the same steps जो हमने line के केस में किए थे. Now how will you do? You will keep your rounder tip on O and draw an arc of any radius. किसी भी radius की arc draw करनी है like this. Now these two points you can name point A and point B. Now you will keep your pointer tip on A and open the rounder with radius more than half. See, this is more than half, and will draw an arc with the same radius. Keep your pointer tip on point B and draw an arc. So now you have to join this intersection point with point O. So this line is the axis of symmetry. Do the second and third question yourself and we won't do fourth question. Fourth question नहीं करेंगे. And then fifth question. Construct with ruler and compass angles of following measures. So first part is 60 degree. Fifth question, A part is 60 degree. First of all, again you will draw the baseline. This arrow, this vertex is O. And then what you will do is, you will open your rounder with any radius. कोई भी radius open करके you will draw an arc like this. Now with the same radius you have to take this intersection point. Keep your rounder tip here and draw an arc. Now the intersection point, this one, join this with point O. Like this. Name this angle POQ. So now this is 60 degree. You can confirm this by measuring with the protractor. See, this is 60 degree. Now B part is 30 degree. अब 30 To draw 30, first we need to draw 60. अब 60 हमने अभी ड्रॉ किया था, so I'm explaining you in the same figure. What you will do is first you will draw 60 degree, जैसे अभी हमने ये किया, and then we will bisect this angle. Bisect करेंगे तो 60 का half will be 30 degree. How to bisect the angle? अभी हमने यहाँ किया था that you have to open your rounder tip with any radius and draw an arc. अब already ये arc drawn है with radius more than half. अब radius हमने ये ले लिया, this is more than half. Draw an arc here, then again keep your rounder tip here and draw an arc here. So join these two points. You will get 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. You have to do both the parts separately. C is 90 degree. Again, to draw 90 degree, first you will draw the baseline. This is vertex O. Now we know how to draw a perpendicular. अभी हमने last exercise में किया था. So the same steps you can do to draw 90 degree. हमने कैसे किया था? जैसे इस point पे we have to draw 90 degree on point O. What you will do is, first of all, you will extend this line in backward direction. Dotted line you can make, and then keep your rounder tip on point O and draw a semicircle. Now open your rounder with radius more than half and draw two arcs. एक यहाँ पे and one from this point. Now join these two points. You will get 90 degree, and 90 degree के लिए you draw a square instead of this curve. Now E part is 45 degree. अब 45 degree is half of 90, means to draw 45, first you have to draw 90 degree. I am again explaining on the same figure. You have to draw the separate diagrams. अब 45 के लिए 90 को bisect करेंगे. So first of all, सबसे पहला step क्या होता है? You have to draw an arc with any radius. तो ये already ये arc drawn है. Now keep your pointer tip here, take radius more than half and draw an arc. Now keep your pointer tip here, take radius more than half and draw an arc. Now you have to join these two points. So this angle is 45 degree. Now D part is 120 degree. To draw 120 degree, the same method we'll use जो हमने 60 degree में किया था. First, draw the baseline, vertex O, point Q. Now what you will do is, open your rounder with any radius, draw an arc. Same method we have done for 60 degree. So now for 60 degree, what we did was, with the same radius, we placed the pointer tip here and draw an arc like this. So this was 60 degree. But now we have to make 120. 120 क्या होता है? Double of 60. So what we will do is, again we will keep the rounded tip here and draw an arc. तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक 60 था. Again यहाँ से यहाँ तक क्या हो गया? 60. So total it will be 120 degree. So we will join these two points. So this angle is 120 degree. Next is F part, 135 degree. Now for drawing 135, you can see that one straight line, let's say I am talking about this. this one straight line makes 180 degree, and when we subtract 135 from 180 we will get 45 degree. तो it means if we'll draw 45 degree, हमने ये 45 डिग्री का एंगल ड्रॉ किया तो ये जो ये वाला एंगल बच गया here, this angle will be 135 degree. So for 135 you can draw 45 degree and you can say this angle is 135 degree. Now 6th and 7th question you will do yourself, क्योंकि 6th और 7th हमने 45 और 135 कर लिया. You just need to bisect those angles, and bisecting the angles also I have explained you in these 3 parts. All the 3 parts we have done how to bisect the angle. So you can bisect the angle. 8th question. Now 8th question is angle of 70 degree and make a copy of it. So first of all you have to draw 70 degree. So first step, draw the baseline, vertex O, let's say this is Q. You have to make 70 degree. Now 70 is not a multiple of 15. It means we need to use the protractor. Keep it on the vertex. 70 degree. This is 70. So this is point P. This angle is 70 degree. Now you have to copy the angle without the protractor. So what you will do is, first of all you will make the baseline. Same step. Let's say I am naming this angle ABC. So this is B, this is C. Now second step, you will take the rounder, open with any radius, keep the rounder tip on the vertex and draw an arc. Arc draw किया with the same radius. Repeat the steps here. Keep the rounder tip on B and draw an arc like this. Fine. Next step, third step, keep your rounder tip here and then measure the angle. Means a rounder tip should be on this intersection point and pencil should be here on this intersection point. So this is the length of the angle. Again you will repeat the steps. Keep the pointer tip here on this intersection point and draw an arc where the pencil is coming. So this is the copy of angle 70 degree. Name it ABC. You can verify your result by measuring the angle. Keep the intersection point on the vertex and see the angle is coming 70 degree. You will do the last part yourself.